Hi everyone, welcome back to Central Florida Pink and Pay. My name is Raphy, and today I decided, since it's not such a sunny day, why not have a challenge? So today's challenge is with only one tool and one tool only, get as many parts as I can out. Today, my tool choice is a ratchet with a 10 mil. Let's see what we can take out. So right here, I just happened to stumble upon this 2009 Toyota Sienna. One of my friends does need a mirror, so today we're gonna try to get it out. We got pretty lucky today. Somebody already took the door panel and used it for their own vehicle. So we're gonna try to pop this out real quick. It just has one little clip, boom, they already did most of the work. So we just gotta pop it out with our 10 mil, boop, get that nut loose, and just pull it out, boop. And here we have it, just a mirror with some 10 mils. So another part for the shopping cart. And here we go. All right, so right now we're just looking for some core packs. Oh, here I found a vehicle, perfect. Here we go, perfect. So there's an untouched vehicle yet. There is some core packs. It's just held down by a cover with some 10 mils. And the core pack itself is held by 10 mils. So I'm gonna just make sure that the hood can stay open real quick. And I'm gonna grab my trusty handy 10 millimeter and we'll get cracking. Then I just need one core pack, so I'll get cracking, finish it off by taking it off with my fingers, boom, and pop it out. It's just a little clip, boom, and right here we have our core pack. Guess what? To the cart. One of the advantages of being here is might as well try to make some extra money while we're at it. Right here is a perfect example. In this instance, somebody already did most of the work by taking out the grill. Perfect. That's better for me and for hopefully the next buyer. So we're gonna pop them out with our trusty 10 millimeter. And this headlight should come right out. Boom. There's some clips and light bulbs. I just need the headlight so the bulbs could stay behind. It's a little bit trickier than just spinning. So make sure I do it carefully not to break the headlight and pop it right out. And we just got ourselves one headlight. Let's get the other one out.
A few moments later.
And we got ourselves the next headlight. Let's wrap things up and go inside to pay for the stuff. Thank you guys for watching the video until the end. Hopefully you guys learned something new about our yard and what tools you could use. Please comment down below the next tool we could use. Hit the subscribe button and follow us on other social medias for more. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.